Today we are swapping out this dome light on my 1999 Honda Civic with an LED unit, so should definitely make a big improvement. So all you have to do to get this off is you just squeeze on the sides here, just give it a little wiggle, and there you go. You can see the light bulb there. Wondering what light I got to replace it with for LED. I just got the C-Light LED bulb right here. It's a T10 bulb if you're looking for it. This one on Amazon, it says like 6000K white LED. So I'm hoping it'll make definitely a brighter difference from my, ugly looking yellow light. So before we replace it, to get this light out, all you have to do is just kind of like hold it firm, just give it a little wiggle and pull it right out, and there you go. Let's go put in the other one. And for reference, with the stock bulb, and there's the new LED bulb. Of course my camera is just dimming a little bit, so it's not just one big bright light, but yeah, it should look a lot better. Now the bulb is back in. I just put this back on. Just my middle setting that I usually do, so when the doors are ajar, the light comes on. But yeah, just push that back on. It's nice and snug, and that's the end of the install. And with it being a little bit darker, there's the new LED light. It's pretty bright. That turned out really good. Hope this video helped, if you're planning on doing the same thing with yours.